What happens to a community when people lose their connection to the land?
That's a big question. So I feel like working with the land is an experience that bridges, of course, physicality, but also spirituality. There's multiple scientific studies about how it also affects mood, just in terms of your microbiome. The microbiota that you're getting while in the soil, touching things, and how that gets on your skin, gets into your body, the brain-body connection, and so that's very important. But really, is just temporally in terms of time. Delayed gratification, the way that you need to plan and have long-term vision and thinking, the way that you need to forge and maintain relationships. And this is even from my point of view as someone growing in an urban environment, but this is true times 10 when you're in a rural environment.
You are now tuned into the Salad Bowl.